Yeah, on Rapwin TV, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial, we're going to be trying the simple head wrap you saw on my thumbnail, which makes you click. So you're going to stay around for like 3 minutes and watch step by step on how that is being created. While you are watching the tutorial with your two eyes, I'll be telling you this and you'll be using your ears to be listening. So I've been on this space for going to 3 years now and I've not seen the results. Why? People are not liking my video. You guys are not liking my video. You guys are not sharing. You guys are not leaving comments below. That's why I was rich. That's why I was rich. That's why I was rich. So if you are still there, you are still watching this video, kindly hit on the like button. At least for today, hit the like button. Share this video. Drop a comment, even if it is like. I like. Thank you. Just drop a comment. Guys, drop a comment today. This is very simple to do. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can kindly hit on the subscribe button. This is absolutely free. Some people, when they hear subscribe, they think they have to pay. You don't have to pay no money. Just hit on the subscribe button and that's all. So if you have hit the subscribe button, if you have liked and if you have dropped a comment for me, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. So I like to explain my tutorials, but still due to the fact that I need to pass this across, I have to skip the explanation for this tutorial. But I hope that you have gained one or two things. You bring your eyes to the screen and watching how it is being done. It is quite straightforward. So let me be telling you the points you need to know about this edge wrap. I use a 3 layers ashoke material, not that hard, but you can try it out with any material of your choice. So I divided it into 50-50, that is equal parts. And let me also tell you that you need nothing to tie this edge wrap. You don't need a band, don't need office pin. All you need is just your material. That's amazing. It is very, very amazing. So when you divide, you place on your head, you cross to the front, you knot at the front, and you just tuck in the excess the way I displayed, and that is all. So guys, thanks for watching.